Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to display the products. So the first step in order to display the products, first make sure that your server is up and running. So in order to make sure your server is up and running, you need to type php minus capital S as I have shown you, and then localhost 8000 in order to run your project in the on this server on the localhost. And in the browser you can type localhost and then colon 8000, and it will display the file. The next step is that we need to rename the products file. This products, instead of saying products.html, we need to rename it, and then we need to say products.php. Now in the browser, if you go to localhost 8000 and then /products.php and hit enter, you will find that we have the products. However, these products are not the real products. These products are hard-coded. So we have a problem here. Since these are hard-coded products, we don't want to display them. Instead, we need to display the products that we added in our products table. Remember the products that we added. Remember, I told you need to add at least 10 products, because these products we will need to get these products and display these products here. Let's now do this. So the first step is that we need to open the products.php, and then we need to scroll all the way until we find the products. We need to find these products. So these products are start from here. From here. This is the first one. Let me show you where it is. This is the first one. Let me close it. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. So we have 6 products here. I'm going to remove all of them, and I'm going to keep only one. So I'm going to remove, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove this, and this, and I'm going to keep only one. And let me save and let me refresh. Now we should have only one product. So we have only one. Now we need to use this code in order to get the product. So here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first say PHP and then include, and what we want to include is that we want to include the script that we created earlier, which is get products. We need to say here get _products.php, and then we need to loop over the products, because if you open the get products, you'll find that we have a variable called products. So we need to say here php and then for each products as product, and then open a curly bracket, only open it, and then at the end we need to close it. We need here to say PHP and then close the curly bracket. And in between now we need to display the real information about each product. So instead of saying here Italian pizza, we need to remove this, and instead we need to say PHP and then echo, and what we want to echo is that we want to echo the product and then name, product name. So here I'm going to say product _name, because in the database, remember, in the database we have here product name, description, product category, type, image, price, special offer. So we have these, and here semicolon. Next we need to display the description here. I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to say again PHP and then echo, and what we want to echo now is that we want to echo product and then product description. Next we want the image. So for the image I'm going to remove this. Here we have this style background image, and here images / and then the name of the image. So we need to remove this, only this part, and then we need to say PHP, and then echo, don't forget to say echo, and then product, and then product image, product underscore image, and then semicolon. Next we need to display the price, so I'm going to remove this here, and then I'm going to say PHP, and then product, and then product price, product underscore price, and then semicolon, and we are done. Let's now save and test. Let me save everything, save all, and let me test. I'm gonna refresh here the products.php. I'm gonna refresh, and boom, we have all of the products. So as you can see, we have all of the products, but we have a problem with the price. We should say product here price. In the database we have product price. Let me make sure that this is correct. So we need to display here, we need to say echo here. I forgot to say echo. Let me refresh one more time, and as you can see now we have all of the products. And also you can here say if you want to edit the image further, you can add styles to it, but I think it's perfect. I think it's great. So I'm gonna get all of the products. So this is why I'm telling you need to add real products. So these products, let me prove it to you. The first product is spicy pizza with crispy chicken. Here, spicy pizza with crispy chicken. The second one is crispy chicken sandwich. Here, crispy chicken sandwich pizza. So this is the second one, the third, the fourth. So now we got all of the products, and also the price is being displayed.